Hello everyone. Choosing the right note-taking app can be a game changer for your productivity. Today we're diving into Evernote, Notion, OneNote, and Remarkable, explaining each briefly and comparing them to find the best fit for you. Let's go. First up, we have Evernote. It's a cloud-based app designed for fast, intuitive note-taking. You can capture text, images, audio, and web clippings, organize them with tags and notebooks, and use its powerful search, including in handwritten notes. Perfect for quick organization. Next, we have Notion. This all-in-one workspace combines note-taking with project management. Its block-based system lets you create notes, databases, Kanban boards, and calendars. It's highly customizable but has a steep learning curve, great for teams and complex workflows. Then we have OneNote, Microsoft's free note-taking app which feels like a digital notebook. It supports text, drawings, audios, and videos with a flexible canvas for free-form notes. It integrates tightly with Microsoft 365 and shines for sketching or stylus users. Finally, we have Remarkable. This isn't software but a dedicated e-ink tablet for distraction-free note-taking and reading. It mimics paper with handwriting to text conversion and PDF annotation. Ideal for focused pen and paper style work. No web source, based on product specs. Now let's compare. Evernote excels at quick capture and organization with its simple interface and robust search, best for personal note-taking. Notion is the powerhouse for teams, blending notes with project and management, but it's complex. OneNote is free, versatile, and great for Microsoft users or those who love sketching. Remarkable is unique, a device for distraction-free writing, but it lacks the ecosystem of the others. So, which is best? Pick Evernote for straightforward note-taking, Notion for team workflows, OneNote for free flexible notes, or Remarkable Paper for a paper-like experience. Try them out and find your fit. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.